Okay, so I'm working on a 1999 Grand Cherokee, the V8. The AC was working perfectly fine, and then it just died out. You turn it on and nothing really happens. There's no air coming out. The fan clutch works fine, so I went under the dash and I took out the blower resistor, and you know, the previous owner had Mickey Moused it, and see, if you can see, it's kind of burnt a little bit. So this is what the original part looks like. You can find them on Amazon, or you know, for like $100, or you can go to a mama papa shop or whatever, AutoZone, find another one. They're gonna give you something like this. Okay, they don't make these anymore. They only make these. So don't get scared. It doesn't look the same. It has some plugs in the back. This one comes with a cable inside, but they're gonna give you with it. It's made by Dorman. With it comes this plug. It goes in here, and then it also comes with this other cable that goes in here and into your blower that goes here. This blower here goes upside down, and this hole right in there. So you don't have to take this off, but I took it off because I wanted to test it. One thing you might want to do is, before you go and buy this stuff, is test the blower. So you get these little cables, you know, or whatever, and you plug it into here. Negative, positive, negative, whatever. It doesn't really matter. It's just going to turn one way or the other if you plug them in backwards, and then connect it to your battery. If it spins, then it's good. If it doesn't spin, then it's bad, and that's the problem. If it spins, and your air still doesn't work, then this is the problem. All you gotta do is cut the cables. See right here, the previous owner just decided to Mickey Mouse it. It could be a fire hazard, so do it right. Cut the cables and put the new cable, and then plug everything into place. Let me start cutting right here, and then I'll be right back with some video. Okay, so I was gone for a few minutes. I used these electrical butt connectors to plug the cables, you know. Here's the what I did, and then I just for security measurements, I put some electrical tape on here, and this will go plugged into here as so. It just snaps in there. That's it. This part will go back in here. Now all we gotta do is screw it in, hide the cables, and then connect the blower back on. So let me do that, because I only have one hand to hold the phone and one hand to work. So once that goes in, it has 2 screws. That's all it has. Just the way you took it off, you put it back on. So I'll be right back. So I've installed it. There's one screw here, one screw there. Here's that plug I just put in, and they hit the cables in the back here on top. Next thing is putting the blower. It goes here, and then using that extra cable. So almost done. So everything's installed. It's a moment of truth. Turn the truck on. Turn the AC on. You can hear the blower running. Everything's plugged in properly. Here's the blower right here.